When it comes to creating projects inspired by the galaxy far, far away, CNC technology is a powerful tool that can make the seemingly impossible possible. From replicas of iconic Star Wars props to intricate art pieces, CNC technology gives Star Wars fans the ability to bring their dreams to life. In this article, we'll explore some of the incredible projects that have been made possible with CNC technology, and the ways that the technology can be used to create detailed and accurate replicas of props from the Star Wars universe. We'll take a look at the materials used and the techniques employed, as well as the artistic touches that can be added to make the project stand out. So, whether you're an avid Star Wars fan or just looking for a fun and creative project, read on to find out how you can use CNC technology to bring your Star Wars dreams to life. Overview of CNC technology. Types of CNC machines. Benefits of using CNC technology. CNC technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by greatly increasing the speed and accuracy of production. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which is an automated system that utilizes computers to guide machine operations. This type of machinery is used in a variety of industries including automotive, aerospace, medical device and electronics manufacturing. The most common types of CNC machines are mills, lathes, grinders and routers, each with its own unique purpose. Mills use rotating tools to shape material along 2 or 3 axes, while lathes shape materials along 1 axis, using cutting tools that rotate against the material being shaped. Grinders also use rotary cutters, but typically operate on harder materials at higher speeds than mills do. Routers can be used for both hard and soft materials, as they utilize high-speed bits to create intricate shapes, such as grooves or slots, depending on the project requirements. Regardless of which type is chosen, all CNC machines provide increased precision compared to manual methods, thus improving overall quality and reducing waste associated with incorrect cuts or measurements due to human error. CNC technology has many benefits that make it a preferred choice for many manufacturing processes. The accuracy and precision of CNC machines minimize human error, significantly reducing the need for rework or waste due to incorrect measurements. Additionally, they are capable of producing complex shapes with greater speed than traditional manual methods. This is especially useful when making multiple identical parts, as one program can be used to quickly produce them all in succession, without needing any additional setup time between each piece. Furthermore, CNC machinery requires minimal maintenance compared to other types of equipment, while also providing a much safer working environment, since operators aren't required to work directly near rotating blades or other dangerous components like they would with manual tools. Lastly, these machines offer increased flexibility through their ability to easily switch operations, depending on the job at hand. This makes them suitable for both short-term production runs, as well as large-scale projects where quick turnaround times may be necessary. Designing a Star Wars-themed project with CNC equipment. Building lightsabers. Carving Rebel and Imperial symbols. Building lightsabers is a great way to bring the classic Star Wars experience into any project. With CNC equipment, you can craft intricate designs and shapes with precision not achievable by hand carving or 3D printing. There are several components that go into creating a lightsaber, such as the body, blade emitter, power cell, and other electronics like sound chips. To construct your own saber from scratch would require custom fabrication of parts, in order to make it look authentic and function properly for safety reasons. Once all pieces have been created, they must be assembled carefully following manufacturer instructions or guidelines if available online to ensure everything fits together correctly, before powering up the device for use. The most important part of building lightsabers is taking time to test each component individually first, before putting them together, so that nothing gets damaged during assembly. This ensures more reliable performance when finished with construction. Carving Rebel and Imperial symbols such as the Galactic Empire's crest or GD Order star symbol is a great way to personalize your project and make it truly unique. With CNC equipment, you can easily etch intricate designs into durable materials like aluminum or steel, so that they will last for years. This process requires precision in order to accurately reproduce details of each symbol, which would be much harder with hand tools or 3D printing techniques. To ensure best results, use an online template if available when programming your CNC machine. Otherwise, draw out each design on paper first, before transferring them onto material using CAD software programs. Once all pieces are cut out properly according to specifications, you can assemble them together with rivets or bolts for extra strength, depending on what type of material used during fabrication. Preparing the materials for your Star Wars project using a CNC machine. Selecting the appropriate materials. Assembling parts together. When it comes to selecting the appropriate materials for your Star Wars project, you have a few options. Depending on what type of medium you intend to work with, there may be certain types of materials that are better suited than others. For example, if you're working with wood as your primary material, then softer woods such as pine or balsa might be preferable, since they can easily be cut and shaped using a CNC machine, even without special tools or accessories. However, if you need more durability such as when creating figurines out of metal, then harder metals like aluminum or stainless steel will likely provide much better results, since they won't bend under pressure from the CNC cutting process. Ultimately, the best choice in terms of material selection depends on what kind of project you're looking to complete, so make sure that whatever option you choose is well suited for its intended purpose. Crafting your finished product a uniquely designed Star Wars piece. CNC-based painting techniques. Personalization options. Making your own Star Wars themed art piece can be a great way to show off your creativity. One of the best techniques for creating something truly unique is CNC-based painting. This process begins with designing an image in CAD, computer-aided design software, which you can then have cut out of wood or other materials, using a computer numerical control machine like those found at most local hobby stores and makerspaces. Once you've got the basic shape cut out, it's time to start applying paint. You could use traditional brushwork, but airbrushing often produces smoother results that are easier to achieve on complex shapes, such as starships and lightsabers. With some trial and error, you should soon be able to create something worthy of being hung up in any fan's home theater room. The possibilities for projects using CNC technology are virtually limitless, and it is easy to see why so many Star Wars fans have embraced this powerful tool. From replicating iconic props from the series, such as lightsabers or helmets, to creating intricate art pieces that capture the spirit of the franchise, CNC technology has given fans an opportunity to express their creativity. With just a bit of know-how and practice, one can create stunning works of art with clean lines and impressive details. Even those who don't consider themselves artists can use CNC technology to make beautiful objects inspired by Star Wars. CNC technology has also made it possible for even novice makers to replicate complex parts and components used in custom builds or costume making. By having access to detailed 3D models or drawings, makers have been able to recreate exact replicas of some of the most beloved elements from the movies, like blasters or droid bodies. This level of detail allows creators to craft highly accurate creations that look almost identical compared with their on-screen counterparts. No matter what your skill level is when it comes working with CNC machines, there is no doubt that you will be able to find a project idea that appeals you. So if you want to take your love for